Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the states of the USA. The United States is a federal republic made up of 50 distinct states. Each of these states operates with its own government, laws, and unique characteristics, while also being an integral part of the larger federal system. Understanding this structure helps clarify how the nation functions as a whole. Geographically, the states are often categorized into various regions, such as the Northeast, Midwest, South, and West. It's important to remember that Alaska and Hawaii are not connected to the main landmass. The contiguous United States refers specifically to the 48 states located within the North American continent, forming the primary body of the country.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Each state offers a unique blend of features, from vast landscapes to bustling urban centers. They differ significantly in terms of land area, population density, and cultural heritage. For instance, California boasts the largest population, while Rhode Island holds the distinction of being the smallest state by land area. This diversity truly defines the nation. The journey to statehood for the 50 states is a fascinating historical process. The initial 13 colonies formed the foundation of the nation, and over time, new territories joined the Union. States were admitted through acts of Congress, often after meeting specific population and governance requirements. Hawaii was the most recent addition, becoming a state in 1959.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.